Good morning. Today is Thursday and it is April 30th. Tomorrow is the first day of May. So I need you to pull out your phonics workbook page 207 with 208 on the back. Go ahead, get your pencil, and let's begin. So the first part of this worksheet we need to match. So they give us a group of pictures or drawings, and they give us a list of words. So we need to go through the words and figure out which word goes with which picture. Okay, the first word here, I have that CH at the beginning and CH at the end, and I have my UR in the middle, which is that bossy R sound that says So I have ch, ch, church. And so I need to connect this word to the picture of the church. The next word I have also has the bossy R. It has the IR, which also says It starts with the blend SK, sk, t, skirt. Going to connect the word with the picture. Again, bossy R. This time it's AR. The R that follows the A makes the A say R. B-R-N, barn. Connecting the word in the picture. And finally we have OR, which says or, thorn. And up here you see the arrow pointing to the thorn. Okay? Going to part 2, it says write the word that completes each sentence. We have 3 sentences and a word bank over here that have 3 words. All right? So our first sentence says, Did Sam fix a, and here's my choices, lunch, park, or sack. Did Sam fix a lunch, park, or sack? Probably the word that best completes the sentence is lunch, because you need to fix a lunch. Did Sam fix a lunch? So lunch is used. Next sentence, yes, it is in the. Is his lunch in the park or in the sack? Most likely in the sack. So use the word S-A-C-K, sack. There's our C-K at the end of a short word with a short vowel. Sack. Last we have Sam will eat it at the park. He'll eat it at the park. I'll tell you what, we were supposed to be taking a field trip this week, but of course we're not able to. So what you might want to do instead is pack a lunch in a sack and go outside and pretend that you're at the park. Or maybe you could go to the park with your family and just make sure you stay away from other people. All right, let's turn to the back. Okay, so on the back of this page, what we need to do is we need to mark the vowels at the top, okay? So the first word, they've already marked the vowels for us. The word is blame. This next word is ass. There is only one vowel. It will get the smile. Over here I have the word bike. I have the magic E that makes the I say its name. Again, I have another magic E. This time the A says its name, and the word is 8. Here I have the word scat. Only one vowel. The A has its short sound. Here the word is drag. Again, only one vowel, short vowel sound. Here I have the magic E, slide. The E doesn't say anything so that the I can say its name. Here I have an E followed by an A. The A is silent, the E says its name, flee. Then I have an O that says aw and F's at the end, off. Last word, magic word again, hope. Okay, for number 4, they say circle the special sounds. You know Mrs. Plowman doesn't like special sounds. They're either blends or digraphs, okay? So the first word, they've circled the blend, TR, and they've circled the digraph, CK, okay? So in the next one, we have the SN blend that says SN. The word is snake, okay? In the third word, we have the SM blend that says SM. The word is smoke. Here I have the SL blend that says sl, slam. The last word in this row has the CL blend, which says cl, and then I have an E followed by an A, so the E will say its name, clean, clean. Coming down, I have BR blend that says br. I have the word brim, then I have the word black, which starts with the BL blend, bl. I have a CR blend, cr, and I have the word crab. Here I have sk, ip, and then finally have pl, eat. The blend SK and the blend PL. All right. So down here it says circle the special sounds. No special sounds. These are blends. Circle the blends that complete each word. So this is a clock, right? So set the clock. Is that a CL or a GL? Well, it's a CL. It's a clock, not a Glock. Okay. Next one, we have a tree trump here. So, or a stump, a tree stump. Dad will sit on the stump. Stump. That starts with the ST blend. St. Okay, so here we have blank the rose Meg. Well, what do we want her to do? Do we want her to smell the rose or smell? She's going to smell it. And you notice the S is uppercase here. That's because this is the beginning of a sentence. So we would need to have an uppercase letter always at the beginning of a sentence. All right, guys, that's all that we need to do for phonics today. So make sure that you've completed both sides of your phonics page. Give yourself a sticker and you are all done. Good work.